Rebecca Henderson and her team of investigators are back to uncover more truth and hunt down more serial killers in season 2 of NBC's The Hunting Party. Joining me now is star of the show, Melissa Roxburgh. Melissa, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Okay, so your character, Bex Henderson, is truly at the center of this show, a very savvy ex-FBI agent known for catching some of the world's most dangerous serial killers. So in what ways do you feel like you relate to Bex, and does being at the helm of the show hold any weight for you?
Yeah, I think that on Manifest, I got a really good preview of what leading looks like through Josh Dallas. He was such a good, mentor to me in that way. But now I'm on this show, and it's been really fun to play with a new group of people. And we have Josh McKenzie, Patrick Zabangi, and Sarah, and we have a couple other guest stars that have been just awesome additions to the team. And I think, yeah, as a team, we've had a lot of fun playing, and I think it's just nice to work with good people.
Yeah. I mean, that's always good to have a good team that can back you, right? Now, as you mentioned, you're known for your roles in Manifest as well as Tracker, and of course now The Hunting Party. To me, it feels like you're drawn to very intense, kind of complex characters that are maybe gritty and also like bound to get answers. That's what I feel like I see a lot of you in. So would you say that's true? And how do you, on a personal level, decipher if a role or character is right for you?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm a really nosy person. Like, I really don't do, not to be like the star sign girl, but as a Sagittarius, I'm very about the truth. And so I guess I find characters that are all about finding the truth as well and hunting down answers and figuring things out. So yeah, it's fun playing a character that is as curious as I am, and honestly, she's cooler though. Like, she's way cooler. She knows how to shoot a gun way better than I do.
There you go.
She knows how to catch bad guys. She's way smarter. I think she's a lot more put together in a lot of ways. I'm a bit of a hot mess in real life sometimes, and so it's nice to practice my responsibilities through her sometimes.
Yeah, I think that's good. Well, and it's interesting you say the kind of curiosity or nosiness, because it's like in a role like this that's almost rewarded in a sense, right? So it's like it's nice for that to pay off, I guess, in a way. So now, without giving too much away, where do we pick things back up in season 2 from where we left off in the season 1 finale?
Yeah, season 1 was left on a massive cliffhanger. One of our core members was potentially killed, and going into season 2 we have the answer for that. And then we also find out that Lazarus has a barcode on her foot, which means that she was a serial killer or is a serial killer. And so we get a lot of answers to that and her relation to Shane in that aspect. And then moving forward, I feel like there's a lot of loose ends that we slowly start to tie up as the season goes on, and we get new dynamics and new loose ends. And so I think people will not be bored going into season 2. There's a whole new level of wackiness and weirdness to the show as well, which I personally love. Yeah.
Yeah, and if I understand right, you've got some pretty cool names joining the show this season, like Kelsey Grammer, Niecy Nash, Liz Gillies. So what's that been like for you, having this kind of array of actors join the show in season 2?
It's been awesome. I mean, you see them on screen growing up or even currently, and they're shows that are so beloved by everyone. And so I think, one, it's really cool that they want to come play on our show and play these weird killers. And it's also really nice seeing these actors who play like loving, kind roles be not loving and kind, which almost makes it more creepy in a way, because they're still these like lovely human beings. But yeah, we've had some great names come on the show, and Josh Dallas is actually going to come join us, and so that was really fun to play with him. And yeah, I'm excited to see who else comes.
Yeah, well, we look forward to that as well. Melissa, thank you so much for your time this morning. The Hunting Party Season 2 is back on NBC and Peacock. Tune in.